Hello grade 7s, I'm Ms. Funderos and today we'll be looking at 3D shapes, especially polyhedrals, and learn how to describe them, sort them by faces, edges and vertices. And by the end you'll be able to count these features and explain the differences between. Look at the objects laid out on the board. What do you see? What are these objects examples of? They're examples of 3D shapes. Today's lesson objectives are: identify 3D shapes and classify them as polyhedral or not. Count and record the number of faces, edges, and vertices of a polyhedral. Sort and compare the polyhedral by their properties and discuss them using the correct vocabulary. A flat shape that has length and width but no depth or thickness is an example of. That's right, a 2D shape with 3 dimensions, width, height, and depth, and can be physically held. It is an example of what? That's right, these 3D shapes. A cube, a square-based pyramid, a cuboid, a cone, a cylinder, and a triangular. When classifying 3D objects, we use 3 terms: faces, vertices, and edges. Face. A face is a flat surface. How many faces does this shape have? That's right, 5. Edge. An edge is where 2 faces meet. How many edges does this shape have? 12. That's right. A vertex, or plural vertices, is the corner where edges meet. Does this shape have any vertices? Yes, that's right. How many? 8. Well done. Another term we'll be introducing is polyhedral. A polyhedron is a 3D object made of only flat faces. Can you name any objects that are polyhedral? Today, you guys will be detectives and you'll be investigating different 3D objects. The slide we have is a cube. How many faces does it have? How many edges does it have? And how many vertices does it have? Is it polyhedral or not? That's right. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. It is polyhedral. A square-based pyramid. How many faces does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. How many edges does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. How many vertices does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. Is it polyhedral or not?
It's polyhedral.
It's polyhedral. The cylinder. How many faces does it have? How many edges does it have? And how many vertices does it have? Is it polyhedral or not? Well done. It has 3 faces, 2 edges, and 0 vertices. Therefore, it is not polyhedral. Let's compare these 2 shapes. What do you see? How are they different? Well done. The cube is flat and the sphere is round. The cube is polyhedral and the sphere is not. Let's sort these shapes into the correct headings. Well done. The cylinder and the cone are not polyhedral. The cube and the square-based pyramid are polyhedral. Now that you have investigated, you'll be working with your forensics team to discover the murder mystery in the classroom. Your forensic team needs 5 people. You'll find each 3D object on the worksheet in the classroom. Once you've found each object, go back to your tables and investigate their properties. on solving the crime. For your next lesson, you'll use these properties of 3D objects to construct your own 3D shapes. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next